Good morning, and in today's Terrain Tuesday we'll be having a quick look and possibly a dry fit of Microart Studios Tin Shed. So give me a second to unwrap it. So let's have another quick look. So as you can see, it comes from 3 parts. This, as I said, is the Tin Shed version. I am aware that this model also comes in a brick version. So this corrugated tin, as you can see from the base, this is approximately a 50 by 50 millimeter kit. So let's have yeah, that's close enough to be 50 by 50 for me. So we have the front panel. This high density fiberboard, as opposed to MDF, is much more resilient and pops out much easier. We get printed baseboard, the walls etc. are all only single printed. We get one panel with doors included in the panel in the corrugated metal. Well, for this panel we use these doors in wood. So, see, they would go together, and there are little hinges somewhere. That'll be these here, I assume. So what's interesting is that unlike a lot of other models, that'll be a sidewall. This kit doesn't really interlock, but let's see how tight it does hold things together. Interesting. There's no instruction telling you which way round the pieces go. We have to work by the illustration. So as that would be the back door, that must go there because that's the only piece that has that piece showing to lock in. But this piece does not match that, and you would assume it's a drive-in, drive-out system. I see. We get a number of different wall options, hence my confusion. So we do get internal and external walls after all. So that was a little unexpected. So that makes much more sense now. Like I said, this is just a quick dry fit to see what sort of mistakes I'm going to make when actually putting the model together properly. So we only get the door to fit on the for the outside of this one, wooden door. Trying to work out where this would actually fit. Ah, no. My mistake. There is. Of course there is. There is a door panel. So yes, as you can see, it's all double walled. And will be quite a sturdy little structure when glued together. Just my feeble attempts at dry fitting are, shall I say, feeble? Especially as, yeah, I'm trying to put walls where walls shouldn't be. They should be here because of the eaves. So, as you can see, the importance of dry fitting. That way round. The doors there. So, a quick little. It's quite a sizable shed. So I will give this a little bit of a construction and come back to you. Typical. Now I find the destructions. Let's not talk about that, shall we? And there we have it. Just quick dry fit. With the panels put together. Still need to pop out some of the pieces in the window areas. But all in all, a wonderful little kit, including cleaning up the little bits of wood where they were attached to the frame. Took less than 10 minutes. So now just to apply some proper PVA wood glue, leave it overnight to cure. But let's have a quick look